Hey everyone, okay, so today is the best foundations of 2020. Oh, I've forgotten the holy grail of them all at the moment. Let me grab it. So it looks like a relatively small amount of products here, but these are really, really good ones. Now, when it comes to liquid foundations, generally I'm not a massive fan of liquid foundations. I prefer creams. It's just a personal preference. I find creams are easier to use. They have a higher pigment level. They can be applied thinner and therefore give a more transparent effect on the skin. But there are some really good ones out there. Ellis Fast make one of the best liquid foundations of all time. I mention them every single year. Sadly, Ellis passed away this year. Incredibly sad, because she was a wonderful person and an incredible, should I say, artist. And it's an incredible loss, obviously, to the community and of course her family. But truly one of the best foundations of all time. Okay, so let's go through some liquids and then we'll talk about some others. Laura Mercier Flawless Radiant Perfecting Foundation is really, really good. It's a great liquid foundation. For the Flawless Fusion Laura Mercier Ultra Longwear Foundation, another great foundation. NARS also, their Sheer Glow is brilliant. Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation in SPF 15. Very, very good one as well. Now let's move, actually we'll do one more, which is kind of like, it's a BB cream. It's by Nude by Nature. And this is a really, really nice product as well. Gives a really nice coverage. Let's move on to my favorite, which is creams. But before we do, let me talk to you about this one, which I feel is one of the best mineral foundations. Now, the ones I prefer are Jane Iredale and Bare Minerals. They're the ones I use to film with. And then I found Nude by Nature Mineral Foundation, 10 grams of product. And it is just an amazing, amazing product. It's got this little sifter here. I'm wearing it today. I think it is absolutely phenomenal. When I tried this, I emailed the company and just said, you have the best mineral foundation I have ever tried. It is so good, and it looks so pretty on the skin. It looks like skin. Okay, so let's talk stick foundations and cream foundations in general. So let's start with one that's really old. This is by William Tutle, and it is a cream foundation. It comes in this tiny pot like this. It is amazing. It's a great product. Good luck finding it, but it's a great product. RCMA has always been and will always be one of my favorite cream foundations, until you see my one coming soon. Okay, so here it is. This is a great product. Amazing. Another really, really good brand is Cinema Secrets. And this is 405, if that makes that means anything to you, which of course it doesn't. It doesn't mean anything to me either. But they're all round about the same. They're excellent products. Westman Atelier, expensive, but so good. The stick foundation looks like skin. It really does. It's excellent. Huda stick foundation, by the way, is excellent. Now, I was sent 3 shades. None of them actually suited my skin. So therefore, doing a tutorial was not an option, because it didn't look good, because it didn't match my skin tone. But the formula is amazing. It's really good. This is another one that's 20 plus years old. Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. Fantastic. It's a great product. It's so good. And there you go. You see, it's a very short list. But as you see, RCMA, Cinema Secrets, William Tutle, these are the ones that I personally use myself, because I think that they offer the easiest application of foundation and the most flawless and the most beautiful. I find it's much easier to build up pigment on cream foundations than it is liquids, because liquids are liquidy. So when you're trying to build up an area, I always feel that you're applying too much, but with a cream, you can dab it on and just lightly build up an area. I love cream foundations. There you go, that is my creams. That is my foundations for 2020. Thanks for watching, appreciate your time, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.